CureLogix Enterprise Resource Planner, CLERP, is a comprehensive ERP that can be used in multiple industries, such as manufacturing, distribution, retail, hospitality, education, and nonprofit. CLERP provides the complete spectrum of features starting from small-scale retail store management to large-scale entities that are running manufacturing and distribution businesses. CLERP is a modular ERP and covers all the essential modules for an enterprise organization, such as accounts, stocks, human resource, payroll, asset management, procurement, sales, CRM, customer support, and quality inspection. The modular design of CLERP enables customers to selectively use modules, such as a retail store can only use stocks and sales. On the other hand, a manufacturing plant can use manufacturing, quality inspection, stocks, sales, and a full-sized organization may use all the modules. CLERP is a highly adaptable product which can be easily customized and tailored to the customer requirements and needs. To make it possible, first we take requirements from the customer, and then we customize the software up to the point where customer needs are satisfied, followed by its deployment. CLERP provides 360 view of your business using multiple dashboards, charts and reports such as sales analytics, sales reports, stock balance and stock ledger, etc. A customer can have reports of their own choice and according to their own needs. CLERP is also fully responsive and works on every device effortlessly. Now let's see CLERP in action. Here is the CLERP screen after login. I have just logged in as a production manager and wanted to create a new bill of materials to start manufacturing for an item. I will just click on the manufacturing on the left sidebar. Then I will click on the bill of materials. Now I can see the full list of bill of materials. Now I will click on Add BOM. Now I will fill the form with necessary information, such as item, quantity to manufacture, and raw material items. Now I'll click on Save and Submit. Now I'll click on the Create button to create a new work order for this bill of material and start production. We can see the work order is in process now. After the production has been completed, we can finish the work order. Now let's see how we can sell the same item to a customer as a salesperson. I have opened the sales module, and I'll go the sales invoice. Now I'll create a new sales invoice. And this is how a sales invoice looks in print preview. Of course, the print format can be customized according to the customer needs. Thank you for watching this brief introduction of CLERP. To schedule a full product demo, please write us an email at info@curelogix.com. And for more information, please visit our website www.curelogix.com.